Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, we will discussing about difference between goods and services. In previous lecture, we have studied about service and its characteristics. So, difference between goods and services is one of the important topic in operations management. So, there we have illustrated about the major differences between goods and services. So as you see on the slide that there are 7 points of differentiation. So on the basis of these 7 points, we will try to understand the difference between goods and services. So first point is about ownership. In earlier lectures, we have already discussed that there is a major difference between goods and services is about ownership and intangibility. So first we discuss on the basis of ownership. See, when you buy a service, the service ownership is not transferred to end customer. Like for example, if you buy a car for yourself, the car is owned by you. But if you buy a ticket in aeroplane, that does not imply that aeroplane now belongs to you. So this is one of the difference when it comes to ownership, right? Second difference is on the basis of intangibility. So how do you measure service? See, in a restaurant, a dish can be measured on the basis of its taste and everything, but the effort which is uh, done in making of that dish by two different chefs cannot be measured. So same can goes with the large service organizations like Accenture, Infosys. Some of some of the services can be measured in certain terms, but most of the services cannot be measured just because of its intangibility. So services is something which we cannot see, feel, or sense, but yeah, we can sense in all the tangible items around it. Third basis of difference is the involvement of customer. So when comparing the difference between goods and services, we can have to look at the involvement of customers as well. In services, the involvement of customer is much more than in the product. Like for example, ATM service, we can take example of ATM services wherein customer has to use machine. The same goes with the vending machines as well as for the self-service restaurant. Today, ice cream chains like uh, Quality Walls, like Baskin Robbins, and food chains like Subways are creating more than 50% involvement of customers when it comes to taking services. Next basis of difference is quality or the quality measurement. So in case of product, mass manufacturing is very common, and in mass manufacturing the uniformity of product is remain there. But however in services, it does not involve in mass production. So uh, in service industry we cannot create standardized services. So there is always a variation in quality when it comes to services, which cannot be seen in goods for large scale production. Then the one basis of difference is evaluation of services and the goods. So in case of services, the evaluation of services can be tougher as compared to uh, in case of goods, as quality varies from time to time and involvement of customer is maximum. The evaluation of different services become tougher. So we need an specialized mechanism or tool for evaluating services, which is known as SERVQUAL or gap model. Next point of uh, variation is inventories. So inventory management is one of aspect which is more prominent in production of product as compared to services, because in production you can store the product, but in case of services you cannot store, because the shelf life of service is very less or negligible. So production and consumption of service happen simultaneously. So that you cannot store the, you can store only the raw material related to the services, but you cannot store the finished service. Like for example, in a restaurant a dish is made only to order. Yes, raw material can stored by the restaurant in advance, but you can and a restaurant cannot store a dish for the order. And then one difference is time difference in services. So time is very important when it comes to service, because inventories are around zero inventory when it comes to service, and because production and consumption is simultaneous, time is very important difference between goods and services. So the keyword delay should not be there when it comes to providing services, because in a market there is so much competition, and if a service provided if a service provider uh, delays any service, so a customer can get frustrated and he could go for another service provider. So these are the certain difference uh, between goods and services. These differences are based on different factors, and these factors have become more and more acute uh, in service sectors as compared to product sector or goods sector. So this is all about the difference between product and services. Thank you.